In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscription in Kartra. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and how to complete the cancellation cleanly and confidently. Start by opening your Kartra dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. From that menu, choose Billing. This takes you to the area that manages your payments and plans. On the billing page, select My Payment Plans. You'll see the subscriptions associated with your account. Find the plan you want to stop and click Cancel next to it. If a pop-up appears offering help or alternatives, choose No, thank you to continue with the cancellation. Next, Kartra will ask whether you'd like to freeze your account or fully cancel it. Freezing usually pauses billing and preserves your assets so you can pick up later. Canceling typically stops billing and closes access after any remaining cycle. Choose the option that matches your goal. If you're certain you're done, pick Cancel. If you might return soon and want to keep everything intact, consider Freeze. You'll then see confirmations and acknowledgements. Click I understand, and if there's a second acknowledgement, click I understand that as well. After that, a short offboarding form appears. Select the main reason you're canceling, indicate whether you think you'll use Kartra again in the future, and add any additional feedback you'd like to share. Clear feedback helps the platform improve, and in some cases can surface alternatives that might fit better, but you're not obligated to change your choice. When everything looks right, click Confirm to finalize. You should see a confirmation message, and you may receive an email with the details. Keep an eye on your inbox for records. As a tip before you move on, consider saving any reports or assets you'll want later, just in case. And if you chose to freeze, make a note of any timelines so you know when billing might resume. That's it. Your Kartra subscription is now canceled using the built-in billing tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process simple and stress-free.